Hi, this is Tom, and in this video we're going to factor the problem x squared minus 14x plus 49. So I'm going to write my problem again, maybe set it up a little bit different here so we don't get stuck in a rut. Maybe just seeing sometimes that things a little differently sometimes helps. And this time I'm going to write my game under here. And remember, what's implied here is that this is really 1x squared minus 14x plus 49. Now, let's see. If I grab another color, let's grab orange. I like the orange. Or actually, I like red better. So I'll grab the red. Remember, in the top spot goes the very first number in front of the x squared, and in the times the number without an x, so this is going to be a 1 times 49, so I can put a 49 in, 49 in the top spot, 49, and the bottom spot then goes this number, the negative 14. Okay, so now we need two numbers that multiply to 49, add to negative 7, and the result is, if you think about it, maybe you could stop and try that, but the answer is negative 7 and negative 7. Okay, so we use those to rewrite the negative 14x. So in other words, the problem becomes an x squared minus 7x minus 7x plus 49. Look at that. 4 terms, so we factor by grouping. Here's our first group. We take out, oops, I'm going to rewrite that. Our first group, we have a common factor, is looks like an x. And in our second group, I could try a 7, but I think negative 7 is going to be what we need. Let's check. So I factor in x, that leaves me an x minus 7. Since I factor out a negative 7, I write negative 7 times, and then I write this as x, and then since this is positive 49, I have to think like negative 7 times what would give me back to positive 49. And the answer is negative 7. And now look, now we have a new greatest common factor of x minus 7, so we can factor that out. So I factor out an x minus 7. And I'm left with, look at that, if I write exactly what remains, I have another x minus 7. Now, when you have something times itself, we say that's being squared. And so you can also, a more simple way to write this is x minus 7 squared. And that's how you, so this problem is called a perfect square. And that concept will come in handy shortly. But for now, we just want to be comfortable factoring those. This is Tom, and thanks for watching.